Question 1. Pitch of a metric micrometer screw thread? A. 0.5 mm, B. 0.02 mm, C. 1 mm. Justification: standard metric micrometers typically have a thread pitch of 0.5 mm. Question 2. ATA specification 100 defines? A. FAA control of aluminum alloys. B. Procedures for transport category airworthiness. C. International standardization of maintenance manuals. Justification: ATA specification 100 is a globally recognized standard for the format and content of aircraft maintenance documentation. Question 3. Live wire color when wiring to a plug? A. Green and yellow. B. Blue. C. Brown. Justification: in many electrical color codes, including those prevalent in some European and related standards often used in aviation. Question 4. Protect bulky component from sling damage by? A. Suitably shaped sling. B. Using spreader bars and packing. C. Fabricating alternative lifting points. Justification: spreader bars distribute the lifting force over a wider area, and packing cushions the component from direct contact with the sling. Question 5. Color of a dry powder extinguisher? A. Red. B. Green. C. Blue. Justification: fire extinguishers are color-coded according to their contents. Dry powder extinguishers are typically blue. Question 6. Select torque wrench where required value is? A. At the top end of the range. B. At the bottom end of the range. C. In the middle of the range. Justification: for optimal accuracy, the required torque value should ideally fall within the middle range of the torque wrench's capacity. Question 7. Torque loading provides? A. As tight a joint as possible. B. Flexibility. C. Sufficient clamping without overstressing. Justification: torque loading aims to achieve the correct clamping force to secure a joint without damaging the fasteners or the components being joined. Question 8. High temperature solder alloy? A. Lead/copper/antimony. B. Tin/zinc/antimony/silver. C. Tin/lead/antimony/silver. Justification: high temperature solders often contain elements like antimony and silver to increase their melting point for high operating temperature applications. Question 9. Flux in soldering is used to? A. Etch the metal surface for more adhesion. B. Dissolve oxides. C. Prevent solder spikes. Justification: flux is a chemical cleaning agent used in soldering to remove oxides and other contaminants from the metal surfaces, ensuring proper wetting and bonding of the solder. Question 10. Acetylene gas forms explosive compound with? A. Tin and silver. B. Tin and copper. C. Copper and silver. Justification: acetylene can react dangerously with copper and silver, forming unstable and potentially explosive acetylide compounds.